I believe everybody's supposed to know how to cook. Nah, stew. Listen, you supposed to know how to cook. So whether it be sugar daddy, sugar mom, sugar baby, sugar honey, sweet husband, wife, side and side chicken, anybody, you supposed to know how to cook stew. Inside blender, put pepper inside. Then you can put plum tomatoes. I see the blender dirty because I just use a blend finish. Then put long pepper inside. Then you put onions inside. Recipe go the comment box. Then you come blender. Once you don't blend, put some for inside, put let and simmer. Once you don't simmer, put oil. If you like fry oil for another pan, and you get pot where you go to the wash. Everything go still come together. Now simple recipe. Put curry inside, put thyme inside, put bay leaf inside. Yawo lot, egg bon jiggy. Put salt inside. You can put Maggi inside. Once that Maggi don't go inside, take spoon. Miss and where. Sometimes people go say, you two put Maggi, 2 Maggi, 3 Maggi, 4 Maggi. Wait to concern you. I always pray to God. I go say, God, this person give am wisdom, let you understand. They come minus data because data na a problem. Once you not get data, you not go get mouth to cut talk or lie. You go keep quiet. You go to receive wisdom. You go to receive knowledge. You go to receive understanding. Anyway, introduce the animal kingdom from abattoir. Introduce and put it inside. I beg if it's too thick, no put meat water. I beg you, Jesus name. Just put ordinary water. The reason why some of now go put meat water, now put my girl to now put salt again. Why not they put meat water in the first place? Next thing I replace and I get high blood pressure. When I had the big. I don't go big. Your high blood pressure not go there high. It go there high because you don't put all the living salt, all the living ingredient for inside. Anyway, done. I call server food already. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good blessed day.